Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of April 29th, 2014. The charts we'll look at come from the Trade Navigator software. And first looking at the weekly bond market chart, nothing much has changed here. They have been sideways since the first part of February, and that sideways pattern, they keep trying to break out of it to the upside. They never show any enthusiasm, and yet they never break back down. It's just rather frustrating. They just act like they want to go up, but they're in no particular hurry to do so. And the scary part of this is they still look like they want to go up, so they could, but this could also be resolved with a really quick blast back down to test these lows. So there's quite a bit of risk in this market. And so far this week, we've got this middle green moving average is 134.10, and they're just kind of hanging either side of that. They did hold the projected low down here. Not sure how significant that is. That's 133.26. I don't know how significant that is. I think 133.08 down here at the lower moving average is probably more important. And the resistance up here is 135.05. Now, they have so much news set up at the end of this week. They've got the Fed meeting. They've got a bunch of employment reports culminating with the monthly employment report on Friday. So you would expect that at least one of those support or resistance areas will be touched, and actually it's pretty likely that at least one of them will be broken. But again, look at the last few weeks. Gosh, they just can't seem to follow through on anything. So frustrating market, and they can lull you to sleep before they blow out. So be careful. Now, looking at stocks, remember we said there was a ton of economic news out at the end of this week. So naturally, they decided to go bat crap crazy early in the week. They rallied early Monday, dropped 28 points, and then rallied back 23 points, and that was all Monday. What that did is took them down to the support here, which is in the 1845 area. So this kind of looks pretty good in that they went down there early and started up. Now they are still holding in the 1871-72 area, which is the upper moving average here. So, no guarantees that they're blowing out to the upside yet, but I still believe the probabilities favor us seeing them up into the 1900s, probably before the week is out, actually. If they are unable to hold this early low of the week, then there's more support down here at 1820, which could still be enough to turn them back up and have them at least test the highs, if not go to new highs, before the week is out. Again, so much news coming out at the end of the week. You just have to flip a coin, and that's not the way I like to trade. So I don't know what the reaction to any of those news reports might be. But purely based on price pattern, they still look like they want to go higher. I would caution, though, once they do go higher, I think there's risk once they get up there that they may get up there and go, yeah, well, now what? And just kaboom. But I'm getting ahead of myself. For now, let's just see how they handle the reports at the end of the week. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.